Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living. My name is Gary. I want to introduce you to the Clif Family Winery.
Welcome to Healthy Vegan Living.
Just check to see if you're subscribed. Don't forget to put the little bell in so you'll know when a new video of mine is coming out. Thanks again for your support. This is Cabernet Sauvignon, Napa Valley 2021. So I went up to Napa Valley and I decided I would join the Clif family where I could get discounted wines, good quality discounted wines. I'm introducing you this because they have sales all the time, like all wineries. They want you to buy their wines. And today I'll be receiving 11 bottles of wine that I've ordered. And I just want to share that with you. Okay, so this is the start of this video. As soon as the delivery comes in, we'll unbox the wines and I'll show you what I got. While we're waiting for the wines to arrive, I want to show you that I also purchased from Amazon.com a wine cooler. It costs pretty close to $350 and it's supposed to hold 24 bottles of wine. It's so cold right now that I probably can keep some of the wine in the garage. I'll be buying a new one of these soon. Now this makes noise. The grill, let me show you. See how the shelves are set up? Sometimes when, right here, when the refrigerator maybe is powering up or something like that, it shakes and you can physically hear the noise of it. It leads me to think that this, though it's an adequate wine cooler, I'm going to have to do a lot more research on it. Another thing I did with the cooler is I set it at 53 degrees. This wine refrigerator would hold its value. And I've been drinking wines out of it and I've been very happy. I think it has a low price point. Alright, so now we just have to wait for the delivery. I've been waiting for this all day long. They just got here at 3:42. Alright, so what's nice is they give you Clif Family Elevate the ordinary, nurture the extraordinary. Never run out of your favorite wine, subscribe and save, and I am part of the club. Get this all off. That's not exactly what I expected. Here's a Petit Syrah dessert wine. Look how small the bottle is. And this was, I think if I recall, it was $30. So I obviously have more to learn. The next bottle is from the Clif family. Here's Malbec, Napa Valley 2022. Next is RTE Blanc, 2023 Sauvignon Blanc from Napa Valley. Next is another bottle of Petit Syrah dessert wine. You can see it's pretty well packed. You have these encrusted things. The next bottle is going to be Zinfandel Napa Valley 2022. Next is the Climber 2022 red wine Napa Valley. Zinfandel, so that's behind the other Zinfandel which I got. Alright, then Bici, B-I-C-I, another red wine. I should have gotten two of those. Here's a more Climber. And the last bottle is going to be a Bici again. Alright. This is not like stuff that you get at the supermarket. This is fine quality wines, and this is the way to do it. If you're gonna drink good quality wines, you have to do pay it. And if you belong to like part of a family, like the Clif Family. Let's see if we're saying this right. Yes, the Clif Family, or you can check out cliffamily.com. You can see that once you become a member, you can save about 30% on each bottle. I managed to miss the Rosé. They had a special for $16, normally for $30. I just was too busy. They do give you like flash sales. I'm trying to get you to buy more wine, which I understand that. I managed to miss one of my favorite wines that I do like to share with my friends. Okay, so this is gonna go into that refrigerator I showed you earlier, and this is basically the end of the video. So you can watch me as I put it in the fridge. Open this up. And this is the Bici. I had this, it's delicious wine.
This is the Bici.
This is the climber, probably what you need to do when you go climbing.
Have a bottle of wine in your backpack. Maybe we should put the Bici and the climber together in the top row. And then this is a different one. Oh yeah. This one I put it on Sauvignon that I did.
Okay. Over here, this is the Zinfandel. Over here, this is the RTE Blanc, basically like Chardonnay.
And they're calling it Blanc.
Here is the Malbec. I'm testing this out. I might buy some more of that.
Okay, we'll put it over here next to the Blanc. The two dessert wines we're going to put on the bottom. We have a little tray that doesn't move. Okay, until I figure out. Well, I guess I can put on this one shelf here. Okay, so that is my new wines.
For the holidays. So there's that. There are advantages to joining a wine club, especially if you drink wines. For years, I just bought J-Lore wines at Sam's Club or Costco, and I was perfectly happy with that. And the price range was between $13 to $18, and they had many different flavors that I enjoyed. Now I joined this so I could have a little bit better quality wines. I am not telling you that J-Lore wine is not good quality. I'm just saying that I found this family and they seem to have the wines I was interested in. Thanks a lot for all your support, and we'll see you soon in our next video. Bye bye now. Okay. So Shepard can't do anything with these things.
No.
No. Put this away.